Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florentina, or Tina for short. So it is officially here, 2025. Can you believe that? So we are going to take charge of our lives. Today I'm sharing 5 proven strategies for personal growth, staying motivated, and unlocking your full potential in the year ahead. Let's make 2025 our year and one to remember. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's kick things off by refreshing your goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish by this time next year? Make your goals SMART, which is an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Some example goals for 2025 could be save $5,000 by December 2025, run a half marathon in June, or learn conversational Spanish by October. Once your goals are set, break them down into tiny bite-sized steps. Focus on one milestone at a time and celebrate those small wins. Now on to part 2, upgrade your daily habits. Your 2025 success depends on what you do every single day. Identify the habits that align with your goals and define the ones that do not. You want to improve your health? Commit to 10,000 steps a day. Want to grow professionally? Dedicate 30 minutes each day to learning a new skill. Quick hack here. So if you use a habit tracker, apps like Habitica or a simple calendar can help you stay accountable. I also use Google Calendar. An example would be different tasks that you put in here, and you put the time and the date, and then it will keep track of all of that for you. This way I am a lot more productive, and I also do not forget what I'm supposed to be doing. As I always say, practice makes progress, and the aim is not for us to be perfect, it's for us to make progress and to stay consistent. Part 3, supercharge your productivity. This year, let's work smarter, not harder. Have you guys heard of the Pomodoro technique? You work for 25 minutes, then you take a 5-minute break. It is honestly a game changer. Pro tip, you want to prioritize your top 3 tasks every day. You want to focus on what's important and urgent first, and then watch your to-do list shrink. Part 4, protect your mental health. 2025 is going to bring a lot of opportunities, but it's also going to bring a lot of challenges. Protecting your mental health is key to staying on track. Take time to unplug, to journal, and to practice mindfulness. Here is a little exercise you guys can do when life becomes a little stressful or a little overwhelming. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. Do it with me. So here we go. And exhale. Part 5 is learning something new. 2025 is a perfect opportunity to start a new hobby and or to learn something new. Learning a new skill not only boosts your confidence, but also opens the doors to opportunities that you did not think or know would exist. Whether it's mastering Photoshop, learning some new editing, learning Italian, or exploring creative writing, let's start now. There are a lot of free learning platforms, especially in 2025. There is LinkedIn Learning, Skillshare, Open Learning, YouTube tutorials, Treehouse, Duolingo, and so much more. So that is the 5 proven strategies to help you thrive in 2025. Which one will you use? Drop it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get more content like this. Here's to an incredible 2025. Let's make it a great one, and see you in the next video. Bye.